a tutorial video for kids to cook some rice. I'm only 6 years old and because
Oh,
how do
and
I
then,
cook rice?
show mo sa kanila.
Yes.
Dapat,
First, get some rice. Dry rice, di ba, ma'am?
Okay. 1.
Get 4 scoops. Ayan. Tama? If
Yes.
hanggang dito.
Oh, show there.
And put like this, guys. How many? This is so many. So, you're gonna lagay in
2.
the 2
There.
there.
2. 2 more.
Yes, 2 more. If there's only 2, I think it's going wrong. Diba, ma'am?
No, it's maunti lang. 3. 1 more.
Ay. Oh, there's a big one.
Okay. 4. Then, what you gonna do?
Next,
Close this.
close this.
Then wash.
Then wash this. I'm gonna bring this. So it's not gonna be part 2 or part 3, just only part 1. So, okay.
Pause it lang.
Pause it. Hey, we're here at the sink, so we are just gonna lagay water. Is
Wash
it?
it first.
Wash it first. Yeah, wash.
Go, do this. No, use your hands you wash the rice.
Oh my God.
Okay. After washing it, ganyan lang, oh. Ganun-ganun mo lang, oh. Wash lang. Then, for the water. For
Where?
the water. Here. Two times lang. 2 times you gonna wash the rice. Okay, next. 2 times lang, ha?
2 times again. Masisira na yung rice.
O, yan na.
Then, I like smashing.
Diba 4 cups yun? O 4 din na ganito.
4 cups na ano?
Water.
4 cups of water. 1,
1.
Uy, nagtapa kayo?
2.
2. 3. Puno kasi hindi yan kapag kulang-kulang. Dapat ganyan din. O, umani na. 4. Kulang-kulang kayo. Then, after, put it in the rice cooker na.
The rice cooker is over. The rice cooker is over here.
O,
Okay.
then, saksak na.
Yeah, the sucker. Mama is gonna suck because baka mag
O, this
ako.
one na. Pindutin mo na to. Yan. Para mag-cook. Ayan, ganyan.
Scared ako
O,
kasi.
so,
Bye-bye. Let's just
mahulog ka dyan eh. Dapat hindi ka umaakyat dyan eh.
then bye guys. Para hindi this is the end because it's gonna be I think it's gonna be 5 or 10 minutes. So bye.
20 minutes.
Or 20 minutes.
Okay.
So bye. That is my rice. Rice combines everything. Bye bye.